Three Dots and a Dash is one of those cocktails that when you see it in a video or a menu or something, you go, dude, I know that guy. He's one of the famous tiki cocktails. If you've never had it before, it's, I think it's a divisive cocktail. So at the end of this, we're gonna see if I order this in a bar, would I order it again? My name is Spike, and on my other channel, I've made over 200 tiki cocktails right here in my home tiki bar, the WWII-era. On that channel, we've done tours of tiki bars across the country. We've interviewed some of the incredible people in the scene, like Disney Imagineers, burlesque performers, and we've traveled to some of the most incredible tiki cocktail bars in the world. But on this channel, it's all about the recipes. Welcome to Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
Okay. Let's figure out how we're gonna make this. We are gonna start with half an ounce of lime juice. You hear the fireworks? That's Disneyland. Mm-hmm. I do love hearing that because I go like, somewhere out there, somebody's having a lot of fun. Right. A lot of magical fun. Half an ounce of orange juice. Of course, this is fresh squeezed, and if you are a subscriber, then of course you know that we only use fresh squeezed orange juice. You should also strain it before you put it into this kind of thing because it'll get caught in the nozzle. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay. Half an ounce of honey mix.
What is that?
Just honey and water. Okay, half an ounce of honey mix. And then as you pour the other ingredients in on top of this, it'll further wash the rest of the honey out. We're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of falernum. This is falernum from Liquid Alchemist. If you want a little bit of a discount on Liquid Alchemist stuff, there is a coupon code in the description below. 1/4 ounce falernum, and we're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of allspice. It's got a very spicy note to it. Delicious stuff. Okay, we are going to do a dash of Angostura bitters. This is a big bottle with a lot of air in it, so 1 dash is probably 2 dashes, so we're just gonna give it a little bit of a tilt there, which still put out a ton of Angostura. You know, I would actually recommend getting one of the smaller bottles of Ango. This can just dump a ton in there, and it'll quickly overwhelm a cocktail. Okay, we're gonna do a half an ounce of Demerara rum. This is from our friend Ed Hamilton. And then we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of a Martinique rum. We're gonna be using the Clement VSOP. This is the divisive guy right here. It has a very like floral bouquet to it. The thing about Martinique rum is it's grassy. It's made from pressed sugar cane rather than molasses. So you get a whole different kind of flavor profile there. It's kind of briny. It's good, but you just gotta be ready for it. I'm not really crazy about Martinique rum, but in something like 3 Dots, it's welcome to the party, pal. Die hard. Now, before we go on and mix this cocktail and taste it and let you know if I ordered it in a bar, would I order it again? We're gonna do another giveaway. From Tiki Farm, from Miss Fluff, some of the most beautiful cocktail glasses I have ever seen them produce. I love these so much. I can't believe I'm giving them away. But for a lucky subscriber, a lucky winner in the comments, you can win these. Well, here. See? There's one there. And this one right here. So rad. So to be in the running for these, you need to do 3 things. You need to repost the episode on your social media. You need to post it to Instagram and tag at Tiki Cocktails with Spike. And then in the comments below, you need to say that you have entered the contest. And I'm gonna be pulling names from there. I'm going to reference to make sure you did the other things, but I'm gonna be pulling names from the comments below. If you don't check your YouTube stuff all the time, then let me know where I can find you, because we did a giveaway a while ago and I'm like, how do I get a hold of this person? So that's it. I hope you win. They're so rad. 3 Dots and a Dash. We are going to fill this with some ice, a couple of scoops, and on the Hamilton Beach from the 1940s, from the era when this cocktail was created, we're gonna give it for about 6 to 8 seconds. You might be going, 3 Dots and a Dash, what the hell does that even mean? Tiki was born out of World War II, where the GIs were going from places like Ohio and Nebraska, and they were finding themselves on these tropical islands. They found themselves in paradise, surrounded by like horrifying things, but in paradise. 3 Dots and a Dash is Morse code for victory. So it comes from the military. And Donn Beach was I think he was a colonel. He was a colonel in the military. So it ties back to the military, which ties back to Tiki, the birth of Tiki. That's where the title comes from. The garnish for this cocktail is super interesting. We are going to be using a brand new Tiki cocktails with spike cocktail glass with the Cannibal Trio on the back, which were featured prominently in Donn the Beachcomber's Chicago location. It's all coming full circle here, folks. Now we're gonna pour it into the glass. All right, we are going to top it off with ice. We're gonna take 3 cherries. I'm using Luxardo cherries because they're a little more tasty, and I'm probably gonna eat these things. I found that if you just kind of stab at them like you're spearfishing, it's kind of the best way to get them. Look at that, professional, 3 dots. Unfortunately, I don't have any pineapple hunks, but I've also gone to cocktail bars where they use a frozen, what do you call this?
Prawn?
Prawn? That's a shrimp.
It's something like that. Rhymes
Like a
with-
prawn? Pineapple frond?
Yeah, prawn. Is it prawn?
Is it a frond?
Prawns and prawns?
Pineapple leaf thing to replicate the dash. And from Donn the Beachcomber, this is 3 dots and a dash. Okay, we're gonna use a straw from Surfside Sips. If you want one of these glass bamboo straws, you can go to surfsidesips.com and enter Breezeway on the coupon code. Get a little bit of discount on glass straws. They make rad straws. They're being knocked off now by China. And so if you can help them out, it would help. I'll help out the dude who makes them. Okay, dude, 3 dots and a dash. I think it's a divisive flavor. You really get the grassiness from the Martinique rum. I gotta say, I do like this cocktail. It's one of those ones where if it's made wrong, I think it can be a total disaster. This is made exceedingly well because it was made by a trained professional on YouTube. Not a bartender, but you know, got a YouTube show. You definitely get the notes of the honey, the spices, the falernum, the allspice. It's like a very classic, true to form Donn the Beachcomber cocktail. And that's why I love the Donn the Beachcomber cocktail so much. Trader Vic was like really big into citrus, limes, lemons, that kind of thing. Donn really loved exotic spices. And I gotta say, I love them too. Make this one at home. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. If you wanna enter to win, do that as well. The question is, would I order it again? Yeah, dude, I had ordered the 3 dots and a dash all day long, every day. Not every day, but I love this cocktail. It's super good. It is divisive, but I found a place for it in my palate. Let's say that.
Is there a place you've had like a really good 3 dots and a dash?
Oh.
You know, a place that you really enjoyed one?
I don't think so. You know where I've had a really good 3 dots and a dash? Trader Sam's. There are a couple of bartenders there, specifically Kelly Merrill, a couple other guys that are friends of the show. But if you ask them to make you a 3 dots and a dash, tell them you saw it on Tiki Cocktails with Spike. Dude, that's a great idea. Go to Trader Sam's. Now, if you enjoyed this and you want to see another Donn the Beachcomber cocktail that lives in the same realm with these kind of spices, click this link right here because it's a crazy cocktail with a crazy garnish. Okay, I'll see you next time. Oh, and also, eat your cherries. Are they vegetables? Fruits. They're fruits. Are they fruits? They're delicious though. Whoa.